Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2013 BMW X3, doing some rear brakes. This has the electric parking brake on it, so the first thing to do is to retract the motor. Per service manual, it says switch ignition on, using electrical parking brake, operate the element to open, parking brake once, open once, close once, and open again. And that should put it into service mode to retract it. Now, I personally have not had much luck with doing that on most of these that I've done, so I just use my scanner to retract it and all that stuff, just to save myself hassle in order to get it done. So, but these have already been done, but I'll show you how we're going to do a couple things. The nut for the actual caliper itself is going to be a 13. Now these little nuts right here, they like to spin every once in a while, so if you put a pair of pliers right here, and as you're rotating the back nut off, which usually has Loctite on it, that'll keep it from spinning, and you can get it the rest of the way. Both of them are going to be the same way. Once the motor is also retracted, then just a simple brake caliper compressing tool will squeeze it back in with no problem. The bracket itself is going to be a 16mm nut on the back, which once the caliper itself is off, you'll be able to see it relatively easy. Same thing here. This is going to be the T40, and that will come off. Pretty close to the same as the front, minus having the electrical brake and stuff back here in the back. Do note, once you're done with this, you will have to take it out of service mode, which is the same procedure, just in reverse. Like I said, I have not had much luck doing that, so I just use my scanner and take it in and out of service mode via scanner. A lot less problems and stuff like that when I go to get this finished up. These do have clips on them, which is awesome. Still clean it off though, but you don't have to clean it off as much, and just new clips and stuff like that makes the brake pad itself slide in and out as the caliper is being compressed and being retracted. This side does not have a sensor, the passenger side does. That has already been taken care of. That's plain simple, just like the last one. Just has a little clip here in the front. It'll clip itself right in there. A couple wrapping locations here, a couple pinpoint locations, items and stuff like that right there, for being able to have the cable in position as such like that. But any questions, comments, please feel free to let me know.